Hi guys, I just want to show you today this new product, Mamaw Yates Ultimate Guide for edTPA Task 3. This is very similar to what you've seen with the Ultimate Guide for all three tasks and the one that I have for Task 1. However, sometimes I have people who have completed Task 1 and 2 or they're doing a retake and they haven't previously bought a guide. They sometimes want to come back and get this. So what we have here is an interactive guide. Each of these here, you'll see that I have steps for getting ready, steps for getting your artifacts, and then here, steps for completing the prompts. With these steps, you see that there's links. This will link you here to a video, for example, of where I explain. Yeah, that's just me just a talking. And let's go back. And then we have also some other links. And let's see, we have here, all of these here are links. Here's one that shows you, takes you to a file of some good samples of evaluation criteria. People are always wanting to know about evaluation criteria. And then we have here, when we get down to writing the prompts, there's a tutorial for each prompt. There's a level 5 example. And there is a tutorial for the graphs in this one. And there's a checklist for how to know if you've done everything you needed to get a 3, 4, or a 5 on the prompt. Little notes on the side, reminders, things that people don't often think about. But anyway, definitely worth the money, and it'll definitely help you complete your task 3. See you soon.